Okay, this is the rear door, which comes off just like the front one, but you're going to pull this piece up, which we're going to use a pick tool. You can just take a pick tool, get in there and pull it up. Except for don't flip it, this thing is nasty, sorry. So right there is one screw. Up inside of here, there's a little piece right there that you can see up in the top up there. You're going to push that little piece down. So you take this and you push this down right here at the top, push down on this little guy right here. It's hard to do and hold the phone, sorry. So when you do this and you pull down, it will cause this piece to come out, but I'm trying to do it while holding the phone, which is very difficult to do. So that will come out just like that. So we pull this piece out here, and then you're gonna have one screw, two screw right there. Then if you go underneath here, right underneath here, there's a little cap right here. You just pull that off and there's a screw underneath there. And then we're gonna pull this whole piece off. You can basically get a hold of it right over in here. This whole piece will pull off and there's a screw behind there. I'll show you where that's at as well. So if you look, there's a tiny little indentation right here that you can kind of just pry this piece off and it'll pry off. There's the back side, and then right there's your screw. Same way underneath here, we pulp that out, and then there's the screw under there. So there's everything to be able to take this whole entire door panel off, and then it'll pop off. Now if you're wondering how to get these pieces off, the way that they work is when this piece is sitting in here connected to here, you just take your finger, flip this up. Same thing down here on this side, you take your finger, you pull it up off of the piece, and then you can yank the piece out here, you can yank the piece out here. Same way over here, you just flip this off of the metal conductor. Same way on here. This piece right here basically is snapped onto that silver piece, which is right here and right here. So this silver piece, basically just pull this piece up like so, and it flips up, and then the silver piece goes back down in here and then in here inside this hole right here. So that's how these come off. This is the back side of the door panel, so you can see all the, you know, how many clips it has in it. And then you expose the door.